Now, perpendicular bisector theorem means if we have a line segment, this is a segment and this is line L. So this line L is perpendicular bisector of this AB. So if line L is perpendicular bisector of AB, then this line L will divide this AB into two equal parts. According to this perpendicular bisector theorem, any point on line L will be equidistant from point A and B. For example, here we have a point C. So this C so AC is equal with BC. If you take any other line on this, any other point on this line L, like D, this is point D, then this AD is equal with BD. If you take a line any point on this line below the line, even this point will be equal so this is point E on the line L, then this AE is equal with BE. So any point on the line L will be equidistant. So this is basic property of perpendicular bisector theorem. If L is perpendicular on AB, then you can say AC is equal with BC. As well we can say AD is equal with BD. As well you can say AE is equal with BE. So all are equal. So this is all about perpendicular bisector theorem. How we can prove? So you can prove perpendicular bisector theorem by using congruence of triangle. For example, suppose this is line L, this is AB, and this is a point C. So we since it is perpendicular bisector, so this is a right angle. They are equal, and this is common side in both the triangle. So by using side angle side test, you can prove that triangle ABC triangle AEC is congruent with triangle BEC by side angle side test. If these two triangles are similar, then you can say AC is equal with BC, because corresponding sides of congruent triangle. So this way you can prove AC equal with BC, that these three, in same manner you can prove these three are congruent by taking different triangles made in the figure. Now next is angle bisector theorem. So this is your second theorem, angle bisector theorem. If you have an angle and this is a bisector, suppose this is angle A, B, C, and you have so this is an angle ABC, BAC, and this AD is bisector, which means AD divides the angle A into two equal parts. In that case, you can say BD is equal with this, BD is equal with DC. This is all about angle bisector theorem. So here BD is equal with DC by angle bisector theorem, because AD is bisector of angle A. So what does mean by this theorem? If uh, the perpendicular distance between any point on the sides of the angle and any point on the bisector will be equidistant. So D is a point on angle bisector D is a point on angle bisector AD. B and C are 2 points on two sides of the angle. So BD and DC is the perpendicular distance between the angle bisector and both the sides of the angle. So this distance should be equal according to angle bisector theorem. The next theorem, third one, Property of inequality in a triangle. Suppose you have a triangle where this angle is of 25 degree, and then this angle is of 75 degree, and this angle is of 80 degree. So these are three measures of the given triangle: 25, 75 and 80 degrees. According to property of inequalities, if I'll make comparison among all three angles, if I'll name this triangle as triangle ABC, so this angle A is greater than angle B, and angle A and B both are greater than angle C. So this is our comparison where angle A is greatest angle, angle C is smallest angle. So this is comparison in their angles. On the basis of this comparison and according to the property of inequalities, we can say that BC is greatest side, BC is greater than AC, and AC is greater than AB, which means a BC is greatest side, AB is the smallest side. How we can make this comparison? So basically this property of inequalities says that the side opposite to greater angle is greater and side opposite to smaller angle is smaller. As we can see, the greater angle is A, so the opposite side of angle A is actually BC, and then less than A is angle B. So opposite side of angle B is AC. So that's why here we have taken AC, and smallest angle is angle C, and opposite side of angle C is actually AB. So the smallest side is AB, greatest side is AC, and BC is greater side, AC is less than BC, and AB is less than BC as well as AC. So this is all about property of inequalities, and this property can be used vice versa. Vice versa means if you know uh, about the side, you can develop relationship between angles, which one is smaller and which one is greater. And if you know the angle, you can compare the side of the triangle, which side is greater and which side is smaller. So basically this property of inequality can be used to make comparison between sides of the triangle on the basis of measurement of the angle, and you can use it to make comparison between angles on the basis of sides of the triangle, length of the sides of the triangle. So this is all about property of inequalities. One more important property which you need to remember: suppose you have a triangle ABC. This is a triangle ABC. According to this property says sum of any two sides of a triangle should not be greater than the third side. should be greater than the third side. For example, if I'll take AB plus BC, it should be greater than AC. Otherwise, the triangle will not form, and such triangle actually will not exist. Even if A, so this is perfect example of a triangle. This is a practical triangle. If I say AB plus BC is equals to AC, so such triangles are not possible. If I'll say AB plus BC is less than AC, even this type of triangle is not possible. So this is possible triangle that AB plus AC equals AB plus BC is greater than AC. Even AB plus AC should be greater than BC. This is also possible triangle, and AC plus BC should be greater than AC plus BC should be greater than AB. This is possible. So these three are possible triangles, but these two are impossible form of triangle. So this is a basic property of a triangle, that sum of any two side of a triangle should be greater than the third side.